How to change password on Stocktwits. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and thinking it's time to update your password, then it is super easy and only takes a few minutes. First of all, launch open the Stocktwits app or website and log into your account. Now go ahead and find the menu button which should appear at the top left or the right. Tap on that. And then once you come across this page, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Password. Now enter your new password you want to change to for Stocktwits in the text box. Once you are done, head over to the next field and re-enter the password once again. Finally, click Save at the top right corner to save your new password. And that's it. You have successfully changed or updated your password on Stocktwits. Now you can log out and log back in with the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.